The TearLab Osmolarity system adds data to your insights by providing quick, precise, and predictive information regarding tear osmolarity, an important biomarker of ocular surface health. In this video, we are going to review proper setup of the TearLab system. Remove the TearLab accessory tray from the box and place it on a flat surface, away from external heating and cooling sources, such as laptops, computers, refrigerators, heating and AC ducts, and windows. Note the magnet on the side of the tray. This magnet can be used to reset the testing pin in case of technical malfunction. Remove the manuals from the box. When unpacking, be sure to retain all packaging. Remove the TearLab reader from the box and place it to the right of the accessory tray. Remember to keep the unit and accessory tray away from external heating and cooling sources, such as laptops, computers, refrigerators, heating and AC ducts, and windows. Turn on your TearLab. A 25-minute countdown clock will begin as the TearLab equilibrates to the temperature of the room. For your convenience and to ensure that the pin batteries are always fully charged, it is necessary that you leave the TearLab on continuously, 24/7, as shutting down the TearLab will require an additional 25-minute warm-up period when the instrument is turned on again, and will reduce the life of the pin battery, which is permanent and cannot be replaced. Leaving the TearLab on 24/7 is recommended and will not be detrimental to the instrument. Now that the warm-up period has concluded, the TearLab is ready for setup. Press the menu key to enter the menu mode and setup screen. Press the recall keys below the up and down arrows to scroll. And press the OK key to choose a menu item. To set the time, select the Set Clock menu item and use the recall keys to select the appropriate numbers. Once you have set the time correctly, press the menu key to return to the main screen. When unpacking the TearLab pins, retain all packaging, including the magnetic sleeve. The magnetic sleeve is used to turn the pin off during long-term storage and to reset the pin in the case of technical malfunction. Dock the pin firmly into the cradle. Proper insertion is confirmed by a beep and the appearance of a battery icon on the display. If the battery icon is not visible, the pin is not docked properly. A flashing battery icon indicates a low battery charge, while a non-flashing battery icon indicates a pin with a full battery charge. It is important that new pins are charged a minimum of 8 hours before being used to perform either quality control or patient testing. Place the packaging in a convenient storage area or drawer close to your TearLab. Unpack the second pin and dock it firmly into the cradle, retaining all packaging. Remember to listen for the beep and look for the appearance of the battery icon in the display. Unpack the blue electronic check cards. The blue electronic check cards are reusable and designed to last the life of the instrument. Each box contains 2 electronic check cards. They are identical and either can be used for quality control checks. It is important to store the blue electronic check cards in close proximity to your TearLab unit. You will be using these once a day prior to patient testing. Remove all unnecessary packaging. Take a moment to compare the single-use disposable white osmolarity test cards that will be used to test patients and quality control solutions, and the reusable blue electronic check cards for electronic QC testing. Each white osmolarity test card has a unique code printed on it, while the blue electronic check cards have no code. In addition to having a code, the white osmolarity test card has a protective cover, which serves 2 purposes: to protect the test card during shipment and to indicate that the test card has not been used. The cover should only be removed prior to performing the test. The blue electronic check card has permanent electronics, is not intended to test patients or liquid control solutions, and is reusable. The white osmolarity test cards house the microfluidic lab-on-a-chip technology, are used to test patients in liquid control solutions, and are single-use disposable cards. Now your instrument is ready for use.